I'll invite the devotees who are going to take the Harinam initiation to come forward. First, you can bow before Srila Prabhupada, offer obeisance to him. Then before Sri Jagannath, Subhadra, Baladev. And then come and offer obeisance to your initiating spiritual master, myself. Then I'll ask you the 4 regulated principles and number of rounds to be chanted, and I'll give you a name and beads. So those who are going to take initiative, there are only 4 here now. It's probably the smallest initiation in Mayapur in the last 20 years. Who? Shubhak Swami Maharaj, 2 people. So it's not the smallest. Okay, it's not the smallest. 2 people? Oh, online, I see. I could make a joke like that. How many did your Guru Maharaj give initiation to? 2,000. So, yeah, please do that. Offer obeisance to Srila Prabhupada, then to Jagannath, Subhadra, Baladev, and when I call you, you can come and offer obeisance to me. Pratame Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada Shamne, Dandavat Pranam Kara, Tapare, Jagannath, Subhadra, Baladeve, Tapare, Tomake Dakpo. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
We're all here by the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is completely pure and spotless. Therefore, one name for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Nirmal Chaitanya. So we're all here by the mercy of Nirmal Chaitanya, which also happens to be the name of the temple president and your priest today. Originally from Bangladesh. Your forefathers. You were born in West Bengal. Yeah, everyone has to say that because, what's that? Checking the citizens, something like that. CC. We don't know. But most of our devotees in ISKCON in Bengal, they're either personally or from their Ma Baba or Takomar, and they were all from Bangladesh, mostly from Bangladesh. Hare Krishna. So, one at a time. That's pretty good tilak. Good. Srila Prabhupada would like to see devotees have... Oh, I forgot to check my tilak before I came. It's there. Okay, well, however it is, it is. All right. Sit properly. I'm giving names, mostly these days, I'm giving names to devotees, which are names that were given by Srila Prabhupada to his disciples. So you're going to get a name of one of Srila Prabhupada's disciples. And don't mind me saying so, but the name Vivek is not very popular in ISKCON for very good reasons. So you can forget that name. All right, so please tell me, What are the four regulated principles? You also lost weight. You lost weight? I was talking about weight loss. You also, you see the lines here.
I promise to follow the four regulative principles, which are no gambling, no intoxication, no meat eating, and no illicit sex.
And how many rounds minimum?
16 rounds daily.
Daily. So your name is Vrindaranya Das.
Vrindaranya Das Prabhu ki jai.
Vrindaranya means exactly the same as Vrindavan, forest of Vrinda. Although the derivation of the word may be different, but it comes out to the same thing. Right? You have to say right. Well, just like for tree, you can call vriksh or padapa, and the derivation is completely different, but it comes out to the same thing. So please tell me.
No illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling, no meat eating, and minimum 16 rounds of chanting daily.
The Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Ananta Acharya Das.
Ananta Acharya Das Prabhu ki jai.
Ananta Acharya is one of the great devotees mentioned in Caitanya-caritamrta. There's also a Ramanuja disciple with the name Ananta Acharya. Okay, very good. Moni Deepa. একটু এইরকম বসো চার নিয়ম okay. How many rounds? All right, very good. I thought you didn't know English. I see she doesn't know English. She just Mayapur Dasi.
Mayapur Dasi Mataji ki jai.
Does anyone need an explanation of that name? I don't think so. So please tell me. How many rounds?
16 rounds.
Every day. So the name is Sudarshani Devi Dasi.
Sudarshani Devi Dasi Mataji ki jai.
So it's also easy to understand. Good looking, or it can mean one, just like Priyadarshani means they see everyone as their friend. So it means you tend to see good things, not bad things. So it can be a name for Radharani or Lakshmi or anyone who's good and good looking. Also having some Brahminical initiation today. Brahminical with giving Brahma Gayatri and Pancharatric mantras. So that will be to Gurnaraj Prabhu and his wife, initiated first, how many years ago? Over 20 years ago? 25 years ago. Nrsimha Chaturdashi, where? In Baroda? In Baroda. Was it down in the basement? Really, that's going back a long way. You may be among my first 20 or so disciples, is it? Okay, it was a long wait. Then, who else is also there? Mukunda Govardhan Prabhu's wife, Ram Leela Mataji, and Sham Gopinath Prabhu, who's Brahmin by birth and Brahmin by activity also, and teaching Chinese devotees. So you can just sit in the yagya and you can come maybe 1 o'clock you can come there for the mantras, because I'll be with Mahananda Prabhu now for the massage and this and that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now there'll be the yagya. You can do. Which yagya will you do? Vaishnav Homa. Simple. Yeah.